All right, good morning, everyone. Just want to run through kind of what we're thinking for the severe weather potential today and a little bit on tomorrow. Overall, we have some more convection developing here this morning across kind of western Georgia now. A few severe warnings out there. And then we have some weaker storms that are moving into the upstate of South Carolina now. We're kind of thinking that they just don't have a ton to work with by the time they get over to our area, but they're got a bit of a punch right now. So we'll kind of monitor these as they slide to the east. Overall, we're thinking kind of moving into the CSRA, Burke County, Augusta area between 10 and 11 or so based on their current speed. And then the storms in the upstate kind of moving across into the northern Midlands a bit later this morning as well. Again, not thinking they're going to have much of a punch with them at this time, but we'll see if that changes. Overall, just run through the briefing here real quick that I sent out this morning. We're still in the slight risk again today for like the third day in a row, with kind of our highest confidence is mainly south of I-20 from that stuff developing this morning. And then if we get any development this afternoon, we think that's going to be mainly focused kind of in the coastal plain, eastern Midlands. But there's a threat kind of that extends for most of our forecast area. Again, damaging winds are going to be the main threat today. Not expecting kind of the level or the widespread nature like we saw Saturday. But still definitely the potential there today. And then for tomorrow, tomorrow looks a bit more widespread than today, with kind of several rounds and waves of potentially strong to severe storms, kind of starting in the early afternoon. Also, there's a bit of a tornado potential tomorrow. It's relatively low. It's still mainly a damaging wind threat, but compared to the last couple of days, a bit more of a tornado threat tomorrow. Again, confidence is a bit higher for Monday than it is today in terms of the widespread nature that we're expecting on Monday. We'll have another briefing out either this afternoon or Monday morning, depending on changes to the forecast or anything like that. So again, if you have any questions, we'll keep monitoring the stuff here this morning, heading towards the CSRA. And just let us know if you have any questions. Thanks.